Let me show you how to do this elongated makeup. I've already prepped my skin and the brows were done with Got2B Glued hair gel and NYX's Lift&Snatch marker. But now I have to carve them out with MAC Prolongwear concealer. Then I apply Boysenberry's Primarry primer on my lids. On the brow bone, I apply a pigment from Makeup Atelier Paris in shade PP21. I use a black pencil to intensify the outer corner of my eye and the lower lid. I basically do an eyeliner wing with this pencil, then I blend this shape with a small cone-shaped makeup brush. I apply a brown eyeshadow from NYX's Contour palette above my crease with a blending brush. Using the same small cone-shaped brush, I put some black eyeshadow from Juvia's Place, the Warrior 2nd palette, over the black pencil. In order to obtain a seamless blending, I apply a medium brown in between the shadows that are already applied. I also apply this color on my lower lid to blend the black eyeshadow easily. On my mobile lid, I apply with a flat brush a thin layer of the liquid eyeshadow Ultimate Glow Shots from NYX in shade Grapefruit Glow. On top of it, I apply a pigment from AMA in number 489. The pigments are best applied with the fingertips. I use Inglot's black eyeliner gel mixed with the Duraline on my waterline and on the upper lash line. I top off the eye makeup with mascara and eyelashes. Now, let's move on to the foundation. I mix Colourpop No Filter foundation with Paese Collagen Moisturizing foundation and I apply it to my skin with a beauty blender. As a concealer, I use once again MAC Prolongwear. The highlighter from MUP number 01 is applied directly on the foundation for a more intense look. I set my makeup with NYX's Can't Stop Won't Stop Powder Foundation. But the under eye area set in place with these two lighter shades from NYX's Contour palette. I contour my face with this shade from NYX's Contour palette. I reapply a little bit of highlighter. I apply lipstick, and now my makeup is done. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you very much for watching.